A beautiful portable lamp sample can still fail in production. Before a private label order, use this 7-point buyer checklist. First, inspect the handle and balance. Lift it, set it down, rotate it, and check every connection. Second, test warm light diffusion in a real room. Look for even color, no harsh hotspots, and controlled bedside glare. Third, verify every button sequence. The current JB-468 sheet specifies long press control, 3 breathing modes, and a 30-minute auto-off. Fourth, confirm USB-C charging feedback. The current sheet calls for a red indicator while charging, turning off when full. Fifth, test runtime in every mode. The current target is a 2000 mAh battery in 6 to 8 hours under standard use. Sixth, measure the product and packaging. Current targets are 90 by 220 mm for the lamp, and 95 by 95 by 230 mm for the color box. Finally, approve finish, labels, instructions, and pre-shipment tests. A strong private label launch starts with a controlled sample. Talk to Jian Bian Lighting about your market and packaging plan.